Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Welcome to IW Members, and firstly, it's too interesting to see something reality show like this on a web platform. So, what do you want to say on this?
You go. Okay, so Hindi और English first?
Anything.
Anything works?
Yeah.
So ये शो है, इसका नाम है शादी फिट, एंड एज द वर्ड सेज शादी फिट, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 रियल लाइफ कपल्स हैं जो सच में एक दूसरे से शादी करना चाहते हैं. उनको हम फिट बना रहे हैं मेंटली, फिजिकली, इमोशनली, साइकोलॉजिकली और भी जितने इली हो सकते हैं. सो दे ऑल हैव कम, दे ऑल आर इन डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. कोई कुछ बहुत सालों से साथ में है, कोई थोड़े समय से साथ रह रहे हैं, किनका रिलेशनशिप कुछ ही महीनों का है. सो दे ऑल आर कमिंग विद डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ईच अदर. हमारा यहाँ पे एक मतलब शादी फिट के अंदर हम कर रहे हैं, हम जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो ये है कि वो एक दूसरे को इतना अच्छे से समझ पाएं और उससे ज़्यादा वो खुद को अच्छे से समझ पाएं ताकि उस रिश्ते को आगे लेके जा सके.
And it's basically a test of compatibility, chemistry, teamwork, love, and they're put through many different kinds of tasks: physical, emotional, grooming, psychological.
Societal, which we forgot. In-laws are societal only.
Yes, societal as well. So they are basically tested on many different parameters, and the way they perform on every particular task gives them a ranking. And at the end of every task, they get a number, and those numbers add up. And at the end of the show, we have one couple, which
Shadi
is
fit couple.
Shadi fit, the one that we think is the most compatible. Emotionally, physically, mentally, psychologically, societally,
And
Yeah.
every
As you said, so society, Indian शादी only for मतलब एक दो लोग नहीं बनते, पूरी फैमिली बनती है. हमने वो भी देखा कि जहाँ इन लॉज को भी इम्प्रेस करना है. तो वाई यू हैव टेकन ऑल दिस स्टफ इन दिस ऑल दिस क्वालिटीज इन दिस शो?
क्योंकि जैसा आपने
Because this
बोला,
is India.
exactly, जैसा आपने बोला, यहाँ पे शादी 2 लोगों के बीच में नहीं, यहाँ पे शादी फैमिलीज के बीच में होती है. तो इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर हम उनको हर चीज के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो इस चीज के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करें कि वो कितना एक दूसरे की फैमिली के साथ कंपैटिबल है. जैसा आपने प्रोमो में अगर देखा भी होगा तो वहाँ पे कुछ कंपैटिबिलिटी इशू भी है, तो थोड़ा मसाला तो होगा ही ना शो में.
There is one particular task called Meet the In-laws, जहाँ पे in-laws को बुलाया जाता है, and that particular set of parents or in-laws grill their to-be son-in-law or daughter-in-law and ask them questions about where they'd like to live after marriage or the way they'd like to dress after marriage, and those issues were dealt with, and some people did very well the way they answered and the genuineness in the way they answered, and there's some who didn't fly. So I mean, that's how it is, and that's what marriage is all about, because you are going to be dealing with your in-laws on a regular basis. In some cases you'll be living with your in-laws, so it's important to see that compatibility as well.
And like we said, they're real life couples, and it's a real life scenario that if you have in-laws, you will be interacting with them, right? You cannot be just like, okay, you out.
And every second, third task was a physical task, a task which was, to test their physical fitness. And more than that, it was to test their teamwork. And marriage, as anybody who is married would know, is about teamwork. It's about two people who are together in a common goal, wanting to get ahead in the same direction. And so teamwork was put on test at several times during this show. And we saw again over there also, there were some couples who supported each other, and there were some couples who blamed each other. And that is a very important thing. And the ones who blamed each other didn't get very far. And the ones who supported each other consistently did well in the show. So a lot of parameters, lots of different tests, and a wonderful journey. It was a wonderful journey that all 4 of them went through, all 4 couples went through, and we enjoyed with them.
And it was a beautiful journey because they not only got to know about each other more, they got to know themselves more as well. Because they realized that, okay, you know what, यहाँ मैं सही हूँ और यहाँ मैं शायद गलत हूँ, जो कि बहुत सारे रिश्तों में दरार ले आता है क्योंकि कोई भी अपनी गलती मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता है.
And we saw also that there were fights in between the couples also.
Yes. So यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने जब ये realize करना शुरू किया ना कि अच्छा शायद मेरे अंदर ये गलती हो सकती है, maybe I am wrong. See, that is where communication comes on, because the moment you start thinking, no, okay, maybe I'm wrong, then you're open to talking about it. But the moment you're rigid, saying that, oh, I can never be wrong, that is where the communication fails, and slowly and gradually relationship
But
fails.
there was a couple where you could see an ego between
Yeah.
two of them. In that particular couple, there was also a feeling of taking each other for granted. And during the course of the show, because everybody looked at one part of that couple and gave that person a lot of respect, the other person, I'm not going to say
Yeah,
who was the
yeah,
girl,
yeah,
who was
yeah,
the boy,
yeah,
but the other
yeah.
person started to value and respect the partner more because of the respect that other people were giving. So it was like almost a rediscovery of their partner.
And
that happened.
similarly, there was another couple out of which one person would not talk, the other one would always talk. A time came when everybody was surprised, oh God, this person can also talk. That was another growth story for us.
So we also saw that you're giving a fitness mantras to the couples also how to be fit. So in real life, what do you give a fitness mantra to everyone?
Work out for 100 days at a stretch. That's what's going on these days with us.
I just say that
Okay, one fitness tip for the who will be get married in this year or next year.
okay, I have very important fitness
Yeah.
tip for someone who's about to get married.
Yeah.
Don't just get fit up to getting married.
Yeah.
Remain fit after you get married also. Because, yeah, like I was telling somebody today, you know, a lot of women when they get married, they start looking after their husbands, then when they have children, they start looking after their kids, and they forget about themselves. So my one tip to women, especially who are going to get married, please take care of your health even after you get married, because at the end of the day, when you look at that mask that falls when you're up in the air, you first have to put the mask on yourself
Yes.
before you put it on others. You have to take care of yourself to be capable of taking care of others as well.
And husbands, please, when you get married, as Mandira said, wives come in and they start taking extra care of you. That
Don't
doesn't
get a
mean
pot
that.
belly.
That doesn't mean that you become.
Oh,
So
and
please take care of yourselves.
any fashion trend you want to suggest for the upcoming?
I'll be very honest in terms of trends. I have always said, wear what suits you, your body, your attitude, and what you are. Please do not copy. Trends are fads. There is no word like trend that should even exist. Colors, I can agree on, but when it comes to fittings, when it comes to silhouettes, when it comes to what kind of an ethnic western wear or what wear you should wear, please don't copy anybody. Please never copy anybody because you wear what you are.
Anything you want to suggest?
You know something, I have clothes in my closet which are 20 years old. I believe in classics.
Yeah.
I believe in repeating my clothes as well. It's
We
not
all-
like you wear something and you
And
throw
you
it
could- yeah,
away.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
not
Yeah.
like that. I just think that really people who say this is the cut that's in trend at the moment, or this is the neckline or the silhouette that people are wearing a lot of. If your body and your personality cannot carry it, and your
Yeah.
attitude cannot carry it, then don't wear it. It doesn't matter whether it's in fashion or not, whether it's trending or not. Wear what suits you and wear what you and your body type can carry.
And you should be comfortable wearing the clothes, right? You wear the cloth, the garment. The garment doesn't wear you. So please wear it accordingly.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much.